Hey, boys and girls. It's Mr. McAndrew, the math coach. Sorry, had something in my throat there. So, it's math time again. It's your favorite time of the day. I know it is. All right, so let's get this party started. Gonna do something a little bit different today. I gotta keep it fresh. So, we're gonna count to 10, but watch what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna say 1, and then to get to 2, I'm gonna add 1. And that makes it go to 2. How do I get it to go to 3? Well, let's see. If I add 1, now I have 3. In fact, you know what I'm going to do, boys and girls? I'm going to make it a little bit different because I want to make sure that you can see it really well. So I'm going to go 1, and then I'm going to add 1 to it. And now I have 2 cubes, right? Okay, now what do I do to get it to go to 3? I have to add another 1. So now how many do I have? I have 3. And what do I do to 3 to make it get to 4? That's right, I have to add 1. Now I have 4. What if I add another 1? Now I have 5. What if I add another 1? Now I have 6. Okay, so you see how it's getting bigger by 1 each time? If I add another 1, I have 7. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If I add another 1, I can move up to 8. If I add another 1, I can move up to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And if I add 1 more, I can go up to 10. Jump up to 10. Look at that. Pretty cool, right? Now, what happens if I take 1 away? Oh, now I'm at 9. What if I take another 1 away? Oh, now I'm at 8. And another 1 away? How many do I have now, boys and girls? Can you count? Let's count together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If I take another 1 away, I'm at 6. And another 1, I'm at 5. And another 1, I'm at 4. And another 1, I'm at 3. And another 1, I'm at 2. And another 1, I'm at 1. And if I take that 1 away, I have nothing. I'm at 0. All right, pretty cool, right? You could do that at home too. So many things at home. It's so fun. All right, let's shake it up. Literally, let's shake it up, okay? We don't want you falling asleep on me here, boys and girls. So, we're going to play some fun games, a couple fun games, and then I'm going to show you a new activity I am so excited about. I've never done it before. I am very excited. So, here we go. All right. Your job is to count the number of shakes, the number of times that I shake this. And then when I'm done, hold up that number of fingers. So, for example, if I go like this, you would hold up 2 fingers because that was 2. Okay? Are you ready? All right, get ready to count. I'm not going to count for you. You have to count. And then show me the number of fingers. If I do it 6 times, you would show me 6, right? 5 and 1 more. Okay? All right. If you have trouble with your fingers, you could always get your number cards and hold up a number card. But I want you to show me something that indicates how many I've done. Okay? All right, but let's do fingers if you can, okay? Okay, here we go. Okay, I haven't started yet. Mark it, set, go. How many did you count? Don't count that very last one. How many did you count? I think I counted 6. Did you count 6? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, wait, I think it was 7. I think it was 7. Did you get 7? Did you get 7? I think it was 7. All right, let's do it again. This time I'm going to clap, Okay? All right, you ready? Okay, mark, get set, go. All right, how many times did I clap? Show me number of fingers. Do you think it's going to be, I'll give you a hint. Is it either 8? Is it 7, 8, 9, or 10? I counted 9. 9 claps. Okay, let's do this one. I'm going to wink. Okay, I'm going to wink a certain number of times. You have to count. Okay, you ready? All right, you mark, get set, go. How many times did I wink? I went like this. 1. Show me fingers. Well, I got it, right? I went like how many? Who thinks it was 4? How about 5 or 6? Those are your options. 4, 5, or 6. I think I winked 5 times. I think I winked 5 times. All right, your turn to have some fun here. Now let me make myself smaller. Okay. I'm going to put down a number card. You have to take your pencil and tap that number of times. So if I put down 4, you would have to go like this. Except, that's not what you would do. You would count like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? All right, are you ready? Okay, get your pencil or pen or marker or something ready. And go. 8 times. Count out loud. Did you go like this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. This time, I want you to do this number of jumps. You're going to jump. Okay? Jump. Get up off your chair and jump. Okay? All right. You're going to do it 7 times. 7 times. All right. Should we do it together? All right. You ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. Good job. If you don't like to jump, then twirl or do something. In fact, that's a good idea. This time you're going to spin, don't get too dizzy, that number of times. So how many times are you going to spin? 3 times. I'm not going to spin. I get dizzy. So you're going to spin. Mark it, set, go. Spin. Did you do it? All right. All right. This time, okay, this time you can choose whatever you want. I'm going to snap. If you can't snap, you can clap, you can wink, you can... Oh, let's do the wink. Yes, let's do the wink. Okay, ready? You're going to wink this number of times. Are you ready? Okay, on your mark, get set. You're going to wink 9 times. On your mark, get set, go. You're winking. Yeah, that's right. Wink, wink, wink. Good, good, good. All right, did you wink 9 times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. All right, let's do one more. This time you can do whatever you want, but I'm going to suggest that you do jumping jacks. Right? Jumping jacks look like this. You're like this, and you go like this. Okay, those are jumping jacks. I want you to do it that number of times. That's 8. 8 number of times. And you mark. Get set. Okay, I'll do it fine. I'll do it as well. I understand. Okay, you ready? Mark it, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Whew, we are all pumped up. Now, for our next activity, which I am very excited about. Okay, boys and girls, you can play this game that we just did anytime you want, right? You can just do like a bunch of jumping jacks, spin around, take steps, jumps, whatever you want to do, and just count the number of times that you do it. It's a great way to get the one-to-one correspondence and the counting into your head, okay? All right, so next activity. All right, girls and boys, So that was super fun. Our next activity I am very excited about. I have not done this before, neither of you, I don't think. So let's just have fun with it. All you need is, there's 2 papers in your math packet. One looks like this. It's got these shapes on it. At the bottom it says 212, 212. It says shape puzzles. It looks just like this. And there's one that looks similar but looks like this. Right now we're just going to do this one. Okay, it should look just like this. Okay, and you can take it out. It's probably easier to just rip it out of your math packet, just tear it out from the staple. Okay, and then you need your connecting cubes. You need your 10 connecting cubes. Any color is fine, doesn't matter. Doesn't have to be my color. I mean, my color is orange, which is my favorite color, and it's the best color, but it doesn't have to be orange. Just kidding. Okay, so here's how this works, boys and girls. And by the way, if you want to cut these shapes out, you can, but you don't have to. It's fine. You don't have to cut them out. If you want to cut them out, then pause the video and feel free, but you don't have to, okay? What we're going to do is we're going to try and guess how many of these cubes, okay, will fit inside of each of these shapes. We'll cover it. Say, what, Mr. McAndrew? I know, crazy. So, for example, this shape right here, I'm going to put a outline around it so you can see it better. This shape right here, okay, I'm going to estimate, I'm going to write in pencil. Make sure you use pencil in case you make a mistake, okay? I'm going to estimate that 2 cubes can cover this shape, 2, okay? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover it with the cube. So I'm going to stand them up and put 1. Here, I'll move it over for you. 2. Oh, looks like I can fit 3. It has to cover the whole thing. So if I move it over like this, you can see that 3 of them fit inside that shape. So I'm going to take that off and I'm going to erase it. And I'm going to write 3. Okay? So I already did this one for you. You can write down 3 in that shape. Okay? Let's look at this shape right here, boys and girls. The one that I am about to outline in green. I want you to look at this shape. Now if 3 connecting cubes covered this shape, how many connecting cubes do you think will cover this shape? Don't do it yet. Just make a guess. In math, we call it an estimate. Okay? It's an estimate. So how many cubes do you think will fit? Here, I'll put 1 there for you just to get a better look. So that's 1. That's 1. How many do you think we can fit in there total? Write down how many you think we can fit into that shape. If you think it's 5, write 5. If you think it's 6, write 6. Or 7, or 8, or 9. It will not be more than 10. I can tell you that most of these are between 7 and 10. Because it says so at the bottom. Okay? So I'm going to estimate 8. I'm going to write 8. What did you write? Did you write 8? 9? 10? I'll give you a hint. I am not correct. I don't think. So, am I correct? I might be correct. I have no idea if I'm correct. I might or might not be. I don't know. But I don't think I am. So now that you've guessed, we're going to find out. So let's put our cubes in and find out. How many cubes can we fit inside of it? And you see how I'm doing it? You see how I'm doing it so it's more than 4 because there's still some white space, right? And it's more than 5 because you see there's white space there, so I got to move it right over against it like that. Oh, so look, I was able to fit, I thought there was between 7 and 10. I guess there's sometimes there's less. So how many cubes did I fit in? I fit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so what I would do is then I would write I would write 6.